60. That's yeah. It's a very sloppy place in here with no people. 150 milliseconds or something, 200 milliseconds. Huh? Yeah, it felt like a rockabilly band without being. Hey! Hey! Now, last time we played here, an owl came by and shit all over our keyboard tech's rig. And a big poop, too. That appeared here tonight.
So we're making peace with the owl spirit tonight.
We're convinced it was Jeff Piccaro's spirit coming over here and messed with Dave.
But did he say, I'll be back?
Spirit of the owl, right?
I said, did he say, I'll be back?
Al Wilson from Can't Heat.
Oh. Ouch. Ouch is this. Anyway, we're going to do a little sound check. So think of some questions for us while you're sitting. You can ask anybody on the stage anything you want. So look out. Excuse me, sir, do you use one of those in the shower? I'm just curious. See, they get those hard to get places. I always wonder what the back of my sack looked like. I have no filter yet, forgive me.
you play.